This video tutorial I will explain how to schedule a task with initial delay. Here I have defined the class schedule task. In this class, I have applied at component annotation and at enable scheduling annotation. At enable scheduling annotation ensures that a background task executor is created. Without background task executor, nothing gets scheduled. Here you can see report current time method. In this method, I have applied at scheduled annotation. I have mentioned fixed delay as 10 seconds and initial delay as 4 seconds. So the first time the task will be executed after 4 seconds, and after that, that is second time onwards, the task will be executed every 10 seconds and it will keep on printing current time. If we want to annotate method with at schedule annotation, then we have to follow two simple rules. The first one is method return type should be void, and second one is the method should not accept any parameters. This is a Spring configuration file. Here I have mentioned component scan should be done for this package. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading a Spring configuration file. Here you can see the output, and here you can see after initial delay every 10 seconds it is keep on printing current time. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.